Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Hollywood and how it became the movie capital. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was Hollywood always a movie-making city? No, it was originally a quiet neighborhood near Los Angeles. Did filmmakers choose Hollywood because of bad weather? No, they chose it for the good weather and year-round sunshine. Was the first talkie film called The Jazz Singer? Yes, it was released in 1927 and changed cinema history. Did the Hollywood sign start as a movie advertisement? No, it was first a real estate advertisement. Did movie studios like Paramount and Warner Brothers move to Hollywood early on? Yes, they were among the first major studios in Hollywood. Was the film industry originally based in Texas? No, it started in New York before moving to California. Is Hollywood known for producing silent films in the early 1900s? Yes, silent films were the first major productions in Hollywood. Did actors become famous before sound was added to movies? No, most became stars after sound was added in the late 1920s. Is Hollywood just a neighborhood with no connection to movies today? No, it remains the center of the U.S. film industry. Is Hollywood still a major influence on global entertainment? Yes, it shapes culture worldwide through films and television. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.